What is going on, guys? This is EK1 Gaming here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the A79 Apeman 4K action camera. Now this literally just come in today to my house, so yeah, so we're going to have a look. I haven't opened it yet. We're going to take a look at what's inside the box, although it's not fully sealed, so I kind of feel the way it's packaged here, it looks like it's almost been opened and repackaged, which is not a good thing. So let's just take a look inside. So we're going to open up the box. So here we go. So first you get a kind of a hello. Thank you for choosing the product, which is nice. It's always a nice touch. And then basically, if you share your feedback, okay, you can pick one of these below here, and they'll send it out to you. Oh wow, within 10 to 20 days. This is the second one of these I've got this week, because I bought like a stand to hold my phone on for my desk. And then they said they would give me a free gift if I did this as well, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to leave that there. Of course, you get the user manual as well. Quite thick user manual, so there's going to be quite a lot going on. So now let's take a look at the actual camera itself first. So in terms of the camera, it comes in a protective waterproof case, which is safe up to 40 meters. So we're just going to take off the waterproof case. You flick that across, push up, and it should just pull off. There we go. So we're going to leave that case there for a second. So we're going to take a look at the actual camera. So the camera actually looks and feels good. However, as I say, that's the palm of my hand. So this is the sort of equivalent of how big it is. But yeah, you can see it's very snazzy, very smart. It's got a very good texture where you're holding the camera. You have a micro USB port, USB charge port, SD, and also, if you can see right there, we have a microphone, portable microphone port as well. And then just two buttons on this side. So basically, yeah, the camera feels good. It looks good. So we're going to go back to that in a second. Now let's take a look at the case. So the case is a waterproof case. It is what it is. It's very much, it seals, you know, it seals very well. Simple click mechanism. And basically, yeah, that's all there is to it. This is where you can attach different mounts, which I'll show you in a second. And also you've got the buttons here where you can press the buttons on the actual camera. And the same as at the front, you could turn the camera on. So yeah, so that's quite cool. I like the fact that you get a lot of mods with this. So let's have a look at the accessories, which is just under the accessories tab. So let's push this to the side. Now accessories, here we go. That's which way should we open it? We'll open it this way. So first things first, cleaning cloth. Always important when you're using a camera or using any kind of device that's capturing video to use a cleaning cloth first. This here, so these are basically like a watch strap. So the reason for the watch strap is basically that you can put the remote control on your arm and press it while you're doing what you should be doing or whatever you want to be doing, basically. So a watch strap for the remote control, that is not for the actual for the actual camera. We then get the mount, which you can mount it to some kind of tripod or anything you want with this mount option, either way, so you can do it either way. So let's have a look at this one. So there's going to be a lot of mounts basically. So this is another mount you've got. Basically, so you're going to have like a one for your helmet cam, one for your bicycle, and a lot of other ones. So basically, so we have another wrist strap here, or another strap for the camera. We have more mounts, so there's a lot of mounts going on, to be fair. A lot of mounts. So this mount actually has a double-sided sticky back tape, so you can probably stick the camera wherever you want it. So that's quite cool, which is, yeah, it's quite cool. Not how that fits on, but however, it's fine. It looks cool. 2 with sticky back, which is perfect. Then we're going to have, I'm assuming this is going to be the bicycle one because it's going to go over the handlebars. So hold on. Yeah, so this one will just basically slot through the handlebars and you'll be able to hold your camera on there. And we've got another mount. So there's a number of mounts here that you can use. This is a swivel mount. So it's pretty cool with the actual stuff you get with it. There's still lots more in here. This is another kind of, this is a clip mount. So basically it clips the camera wherever you want it. So as you can see, it's got like a clip where you just push down. So yeah, that's quite cool. I like the idea of that. So if you want to record something and you haven't really got anywhere to put the camera, you can clip it. They also randomly give you some zip ties. Now, I really don't know why. I honestly don't know why. But hey, if you know why, don't forget. You know, you can put it in the comment section below and tell me why they would give me zip ties. I don't know. Also, these. It's like 2 pieces of cardboard with a piece of wire. No idea what I'd use that for. No idea. This is just another mount. I'm not going to open all the mounts, but this is basically just another mount that you get with it. And another clip mount that you're going to get with it. This basically is a one of these mounts at the bottom here. So the circular mount with this on for your stick, your selfie stick, or whatever you want to use it with. Another mount the same. So you get a couple of them actually duplicate mounts. Then we get into the battery. Now this is surprisingly small. So this is one of the batteries. You do get 2 batteries with it. So which is quite cool, which is unusual to actually have 2 batteries with a device. But obviously you're going to pull that out when you're ready, but we're not ready yet, so we're just going to leave that kind of on there as well. What else do we have here? We have a lot of stuff here. We of course have the remote. So simple, video, picture, and of course it's got the straps where you can put the straps through and wear it as a watch. You have got a microphone. I haven't tested the microphone yet, but I'm going to do a test and review of the camera after when I've used it for a while. So this is just like an unboxing for you guys so you see what's inside. So this is a external mic for it. So that's a good little touch as well. The micro USB charger, of course, to charge the batteries. And again, like I say, you get the spare battery there as well. Now, not only that, you get an additional screen for the waterproof case. So the back screen here, you get an additional one of those. So that's quite cool. They give you plenty of equipment to actually go with, especially like if you're like me and you're just kind of like a beginner with the cameras. It's kind of cool to have a lot of different attachments because you don't know really what you're going to play with. You know, you don't know how to play or what different attachments do what. So it's quite cool. So basically what we'll do now is take a look at the camera. I've turned the camera on. So as you can see, we have a picture here. So this is 4K, 30 frames per second. You can see the kitchen there. But I'm going to do like a recording and then upload it so you guys can see it. But as you can see, it's really simple. Like to take pictures, you've got an OK button on the top there. So basically you need a micro SD card, which does not come with it. So you need to purchase one of those separately, which is fine. It's not a big issue. So yeah, so overall, I think the camera's going to be fun to use. Just to switch it, you're just going to press the button there, switch from video to picture. So video settings, you can go down. We'll go through all the settings when I review the camera, but so far so good. I like all the attachments you get with it. Yeah, they probably could give you a micro SD card with it, but hey, you can't have everything, I suppose. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for when I do the review video. You're going to be able to see how this actually performs for recording and also voice as well with external mics and built-in mic. So thank you so much everyone, take care, and I'll see you all in the next one.